Hi, welcome to NetSet OS. Today we will discuss a very important discrete probability distribution, Bernoulli distribution. Let's understand this with a single experiment example. Single experiment, I mean to say single trial. Suppose if we toss a fair coin and we need to take out what is the distribution of number of heads. So the points which we need to focus here, if it is a single trial and if I toss the coin, it's going to have two possible outcomes, either head or tail. From head or tail, I mean to say there will be one success situation and opposite to that, failure situation. Now if I bet on head, so head will be my success. So I can say probability of success going to be have value P, and contradictory to success, the probability of failure will have the value 1 minus P. So probability distribution of single trial will ask either yes or no, success or failure, or 1 or 0. Now let's say I denote x is equal to 1. X is a random variable. X is equal to 1 for success and x is equal to 0 for failure. And if all this condition holds, the probability distribution of x will have Bernoulli distribution. So in this case, I can say x is equal to 1 with probability P and 0 with 1 minus P. So up till here, Bernoulli distribution is a discrete probability distribution of random variable which takes binary output 1 or 0, 1 with probability P and 0 with probability 1 minus P. So whenever we are tossing the coin, either it may have success labeled with 1 with probability P. On the contrary, it will have failure labeled as 0 with 1 minus P. Let's prove this. So, when a probability of random variable x takes the value small x, will have the equation with P small x 1 minus P as 1 minus x. Now this small x will either have 1 or 0. 1 denotes success and 0 denotes failure. Now if I calculate for individual values, let's say Px is equal to 1. Here I am calculating for success. Probability of success will have P with to the power of 1, 1 minus P, 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Anything having the power of 0 will be 1. So we will have P. So we can say the probability of success is P. Now if I calculate for probability for failure, it will be P 0, 1 minus P, 1 minus 0. So here we will have P to the power 0 as 1 into 1 minus P. So we can say probability of success is P, probability of failure will be 1 minus P. That's what we talked previously. Now imagine we are flipping a fair coin and we will set winning for tail. Here I have set that whenever I get the tail, it will be success for me. So here probability of tail will be considered as success. So I can write x is equal to 1 for tail, where we will have P, and probability of tail is 1 and total is 2. So probability of tail will be 1 by 2. So we can compute the probability of success will be 1 by 2. Now imagine we are playing dice, and here we have a bet on number 1, that whenever it comes, it will be a success for us and rest will be failure. So I can say probability of success as 1 by 6, and if I want to compute probability of failure will be x is equal to 0, which will be 1 minus p. So here I can write 1 minus p, which is 1 minus 1 upon 6, which will be 5 upon 6. So now if we are calculating mean of Bernoulli distribution, up till here we can say probability of success is p, and also probability of failure is 1 minus p. So here I can say p plus 1 minus p is equal to 1, as if we have 70% chances of success, there will be on the other side 30 chances of failure. Anyhow, its sum will be equal to 100%. So when we calculate mean is denoted by mu. Let's understand this by picture. Probability of getting 1 minus p will be a failure, which is termed as 0. So here I can write 1 minus p, and probability of getting p will be labeled as 1. So for calculating mean, probability of getting 1 minus p is labeled as 0. So here I can write 0 plus probability of getting p into 1. Anything multiplies with 0 will be 0, and we will get p. So mean of Bernoulli distribution will be p. Now let's see how to calculate variance. Variance is denoted by sigma square, which is weighted sum of square distance from mean. So for probability of 0, it will be 1 minus p. Let's say it is somewhat between 0 and 1. So here distance from mean will be 0 minus mu and its square, plus probability of getting 1 will be p, and its square distance will be 1 minus mu square. Since mu is p, here we have calculated, we will get 1 minus p, mu will be replaced by p. So here it will be p square, p, then 1 minus p whole square. Now let's compute it, where we will get 1 minus p square, and this 1 plus p square minus 2p. Let's open this, where we will get p square minus p cube plus p cube minus 2p square, where p cube will cancel each other and we will get p minus p square. P minus p square. So I can write sigma square is equal to p1 minus p, which is the variance of Bernoulli distribution. Also, we can write standard deviation as P1 minus P. So this is all about Bernoulli distribution. Bernoulli distribution works on single trial, and there are many distributions which depends on Bernoulli. Binomial distribution is one of them. Let's discuss this in the next video. So be with me. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.